launching Strand's genomic tests across its network with the help of Sapien Biosciences. I'll spend a few minutes just to set the context quickly and the flow of the event. I'll just spend a couple of minutes initially to elaborate on the research and innovations focus at Apollo, followed by Srivatsa Natarajan elaborating on the vision for clinical genomics at Apollo. That shall be followed by Dr. Vijay Chandru's presentation on Strand's clinical genomic tests, and lastly followed by patient-centric personalized medicine at Apollo by our joint managing director, Ms. Sangeeta Reddy. This shall be followed by Q&A and then followed by lunch. I take this opportunity to mention that Apollo, being a pioneer in healthcare, has always tried to evolve itself continuously. We have been integrating innovative technologies, therapies and processes for improved patient outcomes, cost reduction and enhancing access. With these three impact points, the patient is at the center for us. Keeping that in mind, Apollo has a committed and dedicated team of research and innovations with about 80 professionals across 14 centers today. This team has actually enabled various collaborations, various clinical studies across clinical research, basic and public health research, devices, softwares and biomarkers. At present, as we speak, we are currently indulging in various projects across the spectrum. So there's a very vibrant portfolio currently which is being undertaken at Apollo at different centers through this dedicated team. We are looking at technology partnerships, ECG analytics, efficient renal care devices, diagnostics for antiplatelet therapy, and various disease recurrence monitoring, theranostics. The ecosystem that we have created, and we firmly believe that all this can happen by bringing together the relevant stakeholders, creating an ecosystem. And this ecosystem is actually enabling ideation at the very bottom through the clinicians, incubation of these ideas into commercial projects which impact the patient at the end, co-development and validation of technologies, and integrating the existing technologies and therapies into the clinic. As part of this diverse spectrum and this ecosystem that we set out to create, we had actually incubated an Apollo joint venture company called Sapien Biosciences to bridge the gap between the clinic and life sciences. So here we are today, where Sapien Biosciences is partnering with Strand Life Sciences to integrate genomics into clinical practice at Apollo. I hereby welcome Mr. Srivatsa Natarajan, CEO of Sapien Biosciences, to speak a few words about the collaboration.